Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, your source of cutting-edge electric vehicle technology and innovation. Today, we're breaking news about a major investment in Sunderland's manufacturing sector. In a significant boost for the UK's electric vehicle industry, the government has secured £1 billion in funding for a new battery plant at the International Advanced Manufacturing Park in Washington, Sunderland. This is a game-changer for the North East region and will play a vital role in helping the UK meet its net zero targets. The new Gigafactory, being built by AESC UK, Nissan's long-standing battery partner, is expected to power up 100,000 electric vehicles annually. That's equivalent to around 1,500 cars hitting the road every single day, all powered by high-quality batteries manufactured right here in the UK. ElectroDrive News has been following this project closely and can tell you that it's not just about the jobs, though a whopping 1,000 new positions will be created, but also about driving down carbon emissions and increasing our country's competitiveness in the EV sector. Now we know what you're thinking. What makes Sunderland the perfect location for this kind of investment? Well, the answer lies in its strategic position at the heart of Britain's automotive industry. With Nissan already having a significant presence on the site, AESC UK is their battery partner, after all, and the International Advanced Manufacturing Park being a hub for innovation and manufacturing. It's no wonder that Sunderland has been chosen to be the home of this major gigafactory. And let's talk about the bigger picture. This investment in Sunderland is part of the government's Automotive Transformation Fund, which aims to drive forward the UK's electric vehicle industry. The fund will also provide £150 in grant funding for other projects across the country, helping to support businesses and create even more jobs. So what does this mean for the UK's net zero target? In a nutshell, it means that we're one step closer to making our roads cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable. And that's something to be very excited about. Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we'll keep you up to date on all the latest news and developments in the world of electric vehicles.